Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013
Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.